In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel stanstore account subscription. First thing you need to do is to head over to their website, which is stan.store. Once you're in here, you can proceed to sign up to run an account by clicking onto this option or clicking on discontinue. Now, since you're planning to cancel your account subscription, that must mean that you already have an account. So let's proceed to click onto this login option instead. Here is my actual Stan store, and I want to cancel my subscription. To do this, click onto the settings that you can find on your left sidebar. Once you're in there, you can see these options. Click onto this billing. You can see this. I have in here this particular subscription. And in order to cancel your subscription, you can see this cancel subscription option right here. Proceed to click onto this cancel, and then after that, your store will be canceled altogether using this. Now, do take note that if you click on it, you can have a free month on them using the double down on creator biz. You can either claim that, and you can see in here when your actual plan will expire. You can proceed to refresh this page. And if you're still determined to change your actual subscription or cancel it, click onto this right here and choose right here why you want to cancel. And then after that, just input right here the feedback that you wish to use. So on my case, I will not cancel it altogether. But if you do, just proceed to click on this option right here and make sure that your payment details are deleted altogether so as to not charge you. So that's all there is today. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks.